Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the unboxing of the AirPods 3, and I'll be giving you my first impressions on them as well. So let's get straight into it. So this is the box for the AirPods 3. Just like all of Apple's recent products and also like their previous accessories, this doesn't come in a plastic wrap, but instead has two pull tabs, one on the top and one on the bottom. Pull those off and you're ready to get in. As soon as you open the box, you'll be greeted with the paperwork, designed by Apple in California. Let's get that out of the way and get to the rest of the contents of this box. Okay, so here's the AirPods 3 in the case. Small plastic wrap, let's set that aside. Underneath the AirPods, you'll find that there's a pull tab, and that's hiding the cable. This is a USB-C to Lightning cable. Thank God that it's not USB-A. Lightning, well, there's nothing we can do about that one. Alright, so now let's have a look at the paperwork. I couldn't find Apple stickers for this one. I don't know if I just missed them or if they aren't there in this one, but the paperwork comes with a quick start guide and some other extra paperwork. Let's take that plastic wrap off the AirPods. And here it is. My first impressions, well, the case is nice and compact and the AirPods kind of look like a robot from WALL-E. Pop open the case for the first time and you'll be greeted with the setup. All you gotta do is press the connect button and you're paired. Immediately my first reaction was, wow, these sound so much better than the AirPods 2. The bass is distinct, the highs are crisp and clear, and there's a level of sound so much better than the AirPods 2, which in comparison sound muddy in the details. I had my friend test this out with me and we came to the same conclusion. The AirPods 3 are also a lot smaller than the 2s. Have a look at the difference in size. That reduced stem also brings the same press controls from the AirPods Pro, and the slightly annoying tap to control the AirPods 2 are finally gone. The fit for these is almost perfect for me. Any larger and they wouldn't have fit in my ears, and any smaller they'd have gone flying out. I don't like the fit and steel of in-ear buds, so for me personally, this was the way to go. Since these are just my first impressions, I can't comment on battery life just yet. Spatial audio seems pretty cool as well. For my testing of listening to music and watching movies, it was pretty good. It's not something that will make you immediately go out and buy these, but it's good. I'll have to test it out more though to give my full thoughts on it. Overall, I really like the AirPods 3. They're a huge step up for me from the AirPods 2, and I'm really glad that Apple came out with these and that they don't have the in-ear tips. That's it for me here though. Stay tuned to the channel for the full review of this thing coming soon. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and smash that bell icon so you don't miss those future uploads. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.